Use the 6 digits code that will be provided in the course of this video to verify your task.
Hey, what's up, accessible even if you're just starting out. Alright, moving on to the second titan of the crypto world, Ethereum, also known as ETH. Now Ethereum took what Bitcoin started and said, we can do even more with this. Launched in 2015, Ethereum introduced the game-changing concept of smart contracts. Think of these like self-executing digital agreements. Let's say you're selling something online. The smart contract automatically transfers the payment to you when the buyer receives the item. No middlemen, no delays, just pure efficiency. But it doesn't stop there. Ethereum is like the foundation for a ton of innovation happening in crypto right now, from decentralized apps and games to those crazy expensive NFTs everyone's talking about. And look, it's not just hype. Ethereum has serious backing and a massive community of developers constantly building on it. As the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to diversify their portfolio. Chapter 3. Now let's talk about a cryptocurrency that's all about real-world use cases, Binance Coin or BNB. This one is directly tied to Binance, which if you don't know, is like the Amazon of cryptocurrency exchanges. It's massive. Now BNB isn't just some random token, it actually has some pretty cool utility. First off, you can use it to pay for trading fees on Binance at a discount, which is a huge plus if you're actively buying and selling crypto. Think of it like getting cash back every time you trade, but it gets even better. Binance is creating an entire ecosystem around BNB, from travel bookings to buying virtual goods and games. They're even using it for their own blockchain platform, Binance Smart Chain. This means BNB is not just a speculative asset, it's actually powering real-world transactions, making it a more stable option, especially for beginners. Chapter 4. Alright, for those of you who care about the planet, and let's be honest, we all should, let me introduce you to Cardano, or ADA as it's traded. Now, Cardano was actually created by one of the co-founders of Ethereum, so you know there's some serious brainpower behind this one. But what sets Cardano apart is its focus on sustainability. See, Bitcoin mining uses a ton of energy, like a ridiculous amount. Cardano, on the other hand, uses a system called proof of stake, which is way more energy efficient. Think of it like the Tesla of cryptocurrencies. But it's not all about being green. Cardano is also focused on solving real-world problems, particularly in developing countries. They're working on things like providing digital identities and building more accessible financial systems. So, if you're looking for a crypto that aligns with your values, Cardano is definitely worth checking out. Chapter 5. Last but definitely not least, we have Solana, the speed demon of the cryptocurrency world. Seriously, this thing is blazing fast. We're talking thousands of transactions per second, which puts even Visa and MasterCard to shame. Now, speed is crucial in the world of crypto, especially if you're into things like decentralized apps or NFTs. Nobody wants to wait forever for a transaction to go through, right? Plus, Solana has incredibly low transaction fees, which is a breath of fresh air compared to some of the gas fees on Ethereum. And look, I know what you're thinking, if it's so fast and cheap, there's gotta be a catch, right? Well, Solana is still relatively new compared to the giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but its growth has been absolutely insane. It's definitely a higher risk, higher reward kind of crypto, but if you're looking for a potential home run, Solana is a great starting point. Alright, let's quickly recap the top 5 beginner-friendly cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, the pioneer and safest bet for beginners. Ethereum, the innovator driving smart contracts and NFTs. Binance Coin, a utility token with real-world use cases. Cardano, the eco-friendly choice focused on research and development. Solana, the speedster with low fees and high potential. Now, here's the thing about cryptocurrency. It's exciting, but it's also volatile. Prices can soar and plummet in hours. As a beginner, start small. Only invest what you can afford to lose and always do your own research. Don't just blindly follow what you see online, even from me. Take the time to learn about the technology, the team behind it, and the potential risks involved. Remember, cryptocurrencies aren't just about making money, they're about being part of a technological revolution. This is still the early innings, and things are changing every single day. Who knows, this could be your first step into a future driven by blockchain technology. Thank you for your time, and happy exploring.
576787